Hey everybody, welcome back to Plan All the Things. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic Cappy Planner for August 31st through September 6th. So yeah, as you can see, I'm going to get started here laying down my washi tape. This washi tape is kind of a magenta color that goes with the kit I chose for this week, which has a lot of blues and magentas in it. This is one of the Happy Planner kits from one of their early color story books. I really like their color story books because they kind of take the color coordination and thinking out of doing a spread. It's kind of a quick and easy. As you can see, I'm using a lot of the decorative box stickers as a foundation, of which then I'll lay on top list stickers, box stickers, and task stickers. My kind of normal layout for my vertical spreads is I like to do a large quote sticker on the left and then a big weekend box sticker on the right. Here I'm going in and starting to put in my task boxes, which I'm using headers to kind of, jazz it up a little bit. And I'm mixing between using boxes and checklists. And as I get further in kind of laying out my task areas, then I'll start to think about adding some decorative elements. I really enjoy doing these spreads. It's a huge creative outlet for me. I do use the planner to plan. I write in all my appointments and such, but I also then just maybe list out the top 3 or 4 priorities of the day. I'm not really an hourly planner, so that gives me the creative freedom to decorate and have fun with stickers. So this weekend will be Labor Day weekend, and so we're not going to have very much going on the weekend. We're planning a little bit of a staycation, so I'm going to try to get a lot of my house chores and office work done in the early part of the week, so then I don't need to worry about stressing out on the weekend or getting behind. Here I am cutting a sticker, as you can see, which I love doing. I love manipulating the stickers into different shapes, if possible. And I thought that teal sticker there at the top needed a little bit of balancing, so I added a busy sticker that I clipped and kind of put at the bottom of that other checklist. Here I'm going through and adding some transparent word stickers. I like adding balancing colors of decorative elements. So there I've gotten some dark blue to balance with some other dark blue. Adding a little bit of gold accent to pop because there is some gold in some of the big box stickers and on the washi tape. And like I said, like going and looking for horizontal transparent stickers to add in kind of the nooks and crannies. Oh, there you can see I was trying to reposition, and I think y'all can relate to the mini terror that happens when you're trying not to tear the page, repositioning a sticker. I find the Happy Planner stickers are pretty forgiving. Here I'm layering one sticker on top of another. It's another trick I like to do if I'm trying to stick with a color theme and I don't have quite the right sticker. You know, a Happy Planner has so many stickers, odds are that I can sacrifice one here and there. And there you have it. That's my spread for this week. I think it turned out cute. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.